Ciao friends, today we have another amazing show for you, and this is our series of things to do in the fall in the area where we live, and this time we are in beautiful Lake Anna. We're going to be staying in a cabin with friends. This is a 7-bedroom, 5-bathroom cabin that sleeps 22 people. Yes, our group is growing because everybody's having children, so we're all gonna fit nicely here. But this place is so gorgeous because it's right in front of the water that you can see right behind me. You have a direct view of the sunset. You can access the water as well. It has a fireplace outside, a bar area, a hot tub. I mean, it's full of amazing things. So we're gonna be staying here a couple of nights, so it's gonna be an amazing show. By the way, if you're not subscribed to our channel, please consider doing so. It will help us a lot to do more and bring more value to you. It doesn't cost a thing, but it means the world to us. So with that, please follow along, stay with us. It's going to be an amazing show. So tonight is Mexican night. We did not cook. We only made guacamole, but everything else is like catered Mexican. So we're gonna have some tacos and then have some fun, probably play some games and stuff after all the kids go. But yeah, we're gonna have our first dinner here at the cabin. It's been so lovely so far. Margarita, tacos, guac, appetizer, yeah. So we have this tortillas straight from Mexico, because one of our friends, Paolo, behind me, came straight from Mexico. So he brought some tortillas, some salsas from there, which is insane. We're so lucky. Yeah, so we have meat, chicken, and some, of course, all the like pico de gallo and salsa and everything. So we're gonna enjoy, and then we'll show you what we're gonna be up to next.
Oh, I got my tortillas in Querétaro. I mean, it's just a state. And my colleague brought from a place that is homemade. So like, the old lady, making corn and flour tortilla. And, I just smuggle in through different airports, with tequila, sal de gusano, and here we are enjoying the goodies from Mexico. And don't ask me more because I can tell you more. So now we're gonna start preparing our glass with some gusano salt. It's basically a warm salt that is usually is famous for the mezcal, but is also a very important ingredient for the margarita or mezcalita. So once we have our glass ready, we're gonna start with the margarita. So, okay, we already put some ice, okay? And then we put some syrup dyed by the Testa family. And now we're gonna squeeze a couple lemon. So this is gonna be a drink for 2 margarita, okay? So that's why 1 squeeze lemon each. Okay, 2 ounces of control and 4 ounces of reposado. Now we're done with that, and now we're gonna be just the final mixing. Done. Salute.
Salute. Buono, eh?
It really tastes like a worm.
Had a nice dinner, and now we're trying to make some fire by the lake, and almost now we have a fire, huh?
It's a fire!
Ma che cos'è là? Un peluche?
Sì.
Sta parlando. Tanto
Sentilo un po'.
Diego, senti un po' come profuma.
È il pelo.
Senti il pelo. Senti il pelo. Senti il pelo.
Ci piace il pelo.
Per pelo per tutti.
It's a lovely night, even though it's November
15 now.
14. It's still very lovely weather.
Hey chef, what are we making today?
Today we will prepare a maccheroncino al fumé. That is a very traditional pasta from Marche region. Actually, it's from Ancona province, Castelplatte. So it's I think it's called the chef Stefano Marsi. He was like a bodybuilder, and from 1978 he started to have this, very intense flavor pasta. Okay, and the top of this pasta is to mix all the cheese, bacon, spices, and I'm going to show you how to do that. So we have prepared the bacon before. So I think we have about 600 grams of bacon because we're going to having probably 2 kilo of pasta. So after the bacon is ready, we're gonna put some tomato sauce.
Two at the same time. This is true mastery of the kitchen.
Okay, now we're gonna add the spices. So we're gonna have nutmeg, and then we will put some cilantro and black pepper, spicy chili. So now it's time for cheese. So this is the Emmental. Yes, look the love. Out here we do the pecorino. Now we have to wait 10 minutes that it's gonna melt a little bit the cheese. And the last touch is heavy cream. Tomato sauce.
Buona.
Dobbiamo stare aspetta perché qua non so quanta acqua è. Ci muoviamo. Lei ci entra tanta acqua. Andiamo a vedere prima.
It's time for sunset.
Siamo pronti?
Yes, siamo pronti.
Vai.
We're gonna go pedal.
Vai,
Sì, andiamo.
pedalo.
Sì, vai.
Girare,
We're pedaling a little bit. Today is not as beautiful as yesterday. We had the best sunset the first night. It was very, very cloudy today, but the sunset came out this time. I think we're gonna eat a lot tonight after this workout.
Oh yes.
What do you think, Paolo?
No, I think it's relaxing, having our private beach on the lake. And now we're ready to fill our belly
Oh yeah.
with Thanksgiving turkey. On top of
It's not like we didn't eat pasta fume, which was insane. And now we're gonna have turkey. Ooh, we arrived, huh? You guys worked out. That was a gorgeous sunset. Honestly, it was a very cloudy day. And then look at this. So lovely. Private beach, food, drink, friends. That's the perfect way to spend this transitional period of fall, which is lovely. And the weather, we got so lucky because it has been like in the 60s, maybe sometimes in the 50s, but absolutely gorgeous. It's been very, very cloudy all day, so we thought we're not going to see the sunset, but yeah, the sun made an appearance, thank God. Look at that. Yeah, and I think that my husband just graduated another level because he was flying the drone as we were, pedaling in the water, and that was so much fun. All right, so tonight we're gonna have some Friendsgiving dinner, and we made some turkey, some I think farro salad, rice, and I'm gonna make some potato gratin, which is potato with cream and cheese, and it's gonna be nice and gooey and baked in the oven, so it's gonna be amazing. So we'll take you with us. Stay tuned.
We're making potato gratin. Did I pronounce it correctly? Potato gratin for our Friendsgiving dinner. A little Friendsgiving prep. Okay, this is the beautiful potato gratin. Wow, piping hot. All right. Ooh, this looks dangerous. It's literally boiling. Wow. This is a feast, people. And now our dear friend Francesco is doing the most important contribution to the whole Friendsgiving dinner, cutting onions. How does it feel, Francesco, to have such a big responsibility?
The pieces are not coming the next time. Make it worse so much.
So let's start with the table then.
Opa!
Okay, Michelle, what did you put in here? Is this a stuffing Dominican style?
More or less, because it's yellow plantain, ham, olive, and cranberries.
Did you put some herbs?
Yes, it was marinated Dominican style for sure.
Ah.
So you have a lot of things: onions, garlic.
On a scale from 1 to 10, how much do you like and enjoy cutting the turkey every time?
Dio.
Okay.
I want to live in America. I want to live in America. I want to live in America. Forever.
Forever and ever.
We are in beautiful Prince William Forest Park. It's just 1 hour drive from our cabin. The route is so scenic, you won't believe, with the trees and the foliage changing. It's just gorgeous. And we found an area where we're doing some picnic with all the leftovers from this couple of days of major cooking extravaganza.
This park is absolutely beautiful. We brought all of our food, like Andrea said before, so we had our food, but every now and then we get this nice wind that flies all of the leaves in the park, so it's absolutely beautiful. And all around us is just trees. You don't see anything for miles and miles. So it's a beautiful, beautiful ending to a lovely weekend. Again, showing you that you don't have to go so far to have a nice time. But it's been absolutely a marvelous weekend and ending here. We were gonna go to a winery. I think we told you that before, but we decided to come here because we had so many wines that were left over from the time in the cabin, so much food. So, you know, we created our own winery in the wild, but absolutely gorgeous. We hope you enjoyed our show. We hope you got something from it. And if you like what you saw, can you please subscribe? We absolutely, absolutely would appreciate it. And let us know what you think, what you want to see in our area or around the world in the places that we travel to. And with that, we bid you good day. One, two, three. Ciao, friends. Is that too much? Oh, amore, c'è un buco là. Sorry. And I went in a hole. Of course, we need this stuff for the bloopers because the things that happen when we're filming, that everything is covered with leaves, so it's kind of hard to see where you're going.